So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to request a refund on your CNFan. So first of all, now open the app on your mobile phone. So after you open the app like this, now all you have to do, go to account at the bottom right side. After you come to this account, go to contact, this one, contact and email. So after you open this contact and email, so you can tap on this plus button, this one, tap on this plus button. So after you tap on this plus button, in this option now, go ahead now and type in refund button. Just type in refund like this. After you type refund like this in this option, in the title option, so you can tap on this message section and type in I need a refund. So after you type I need a refund like this, now you can tap on this submit button. If you tap on this submit button, from there now the CNFan, they will contact you with a possible method on why you need the refund. So as you can see now, it will take you to this option now, I need a refund. So here you can type in the message again, I need a refund again. So after you tap I need a refund in this option again, so in this option now, they will ask you now to, like, if you have like the image of the what you want to remove a refund, you can tap on this option now to upload the image. So here, as you can see now, it says app album, so it will take you now to your mobile phone. Tap on this allow button. So go ahead and select the picture. Let's say this is the picture, this one. After you select the picture, so you can tap on this dot button. So from there now you can tap on this submit button. If I tap on this submit button, from there now they will contact me with a possible method about my refund. So now I open a chat with them. That's it guys on how to refund a product or how to get refund on CNFans. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.